To stop use, A, number 9, B, number 8, C, number 7. To ensure that your parked vehicle does not move, use A, number 7, B, number 8, C, number 9. Number X is not found in an automatic vehicle. A, number 10, B, number 9, C, number 8. When turning, use A, number 4, B, number 5, C, number 10. What is number 2 used for? A, to clear the windscreen of any water. B, to warn other road users that you are approaching. C, to warn other road users that you are about to turn. To change gears, use number 7 and 9. B, number 5 and 8. C, number 6 and 8. When you want to drive faster, use A, number 6, B, number 8, C, number 10.